On February 6, 2021, at approximately 7:30 p.m., Camden County Police Officer Edward Melton and Officer Trainee Danielle Sigwart were on patrol in a marked vehicle when they observed a Dodge Charger driven by a civilian, later identified as Mr. Muse. Officer Melton activated his emergency lights and siren to conduct a motor vehicle stop, but Mr. Muse did not stop. Officer Melton did not pursue the car, but he and other officers in police vehicles located the Dodge Charger after Mr. Muse pulled into a snowy lot off of Whitman Avenue. Police officers got out of their vehicles and approached Mr. Muse, shouting commands for him to get out of the car. Mr. Muse instead continued to drive, striking multiple vehicles, including a police vehicle, and drove away.
Change the location to Lewis and Whitman. Yo! Out of the car! 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 Give me a 5. Out of the car! Out of the car! Out of the car! Out of the car! Whitman and Lewis. On Whitman. Out of the car, bro. Out of the car. Out of the car. Mel, move. You gotta stay out of the way so you don't get hit. Yeah. This is Whitman, right, Tran? Yeah. Get out of the fucking car! Yeah! Yo, you gotta stay out of the way, bro. Out of the car, bro. Out of the car. Watch out, bro. Watch out. You better get fucking out of the car, dude. Out of the car! 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 Get in the car! Sigwart, get in the car!
I'm down East Avenue now. Sigwart. Taking a right on down here, bro. Units going after the car. What is it? What is the stop for?
37, just a traffic violation. He struck several vehicles in between that.
He struck officers' vehicles as well. Let's try to hit officers. Traveling down here from Fort Dodge. Nice. Turning close to gas. He's on line 27. That's 31. Anybody officer there? Any officer there? He just picked me down. Oh, blind, right on the bridge. He's on blind.
Get on the fucking grill! He's going up to 676. He ran up the embankment. He's on the highway. Give me a unit on 676. I believe there's just an NVA. I need a unit on 676. Now.
Stop all traffic.
He ran up there and I heard an NVA. Stop! Stop! Tran, stop! You're dragging something.
North or south, Brandon?
Southbound. He ran up the embankment onto the road and then I heard an impact.
336, entering southbound. Notify the police.
Huh? Yeah, he went up and then he jumped that thing and. Check your emergency button.
348, you have an open mic. Are you here?
Kill your emergency. Kill your emergency button. Give me on the radio. Shut down traffic 676 southbound. Kill it at Mickle.
Romeo 60, which way are you running? Can you get on 676? I believe there's just an NVA. I need you to get on 676. Call this out. Romeo 60, you'll come up short and stop all traffic. I'm calling on 76, going northbound, Fairview area. North or south, Brandon? Southbound. He ran up the embankment, onto the road, and then I heard an impact. 336, entering southbound.
Which way? Which direction?
Notify the police as well.
Someone up? Watch out. Somebody go over it. Go over it. Go over it. My bad. You good? You good? You good? There's your boot. On the other side.
Kill your emergency.
Great.
I got it. Kill your emergency, boy.
Romeo 50, man. Turn up there and left side of the road. Come on, give me the radio. Shut down traffic 676 southbound. Kill your vehicle. Obviously away. And this is the same one from Task Force from Whitman, right?
31, give me on the radio. Shut down traffic 676 southbound. Kill it at Mickle. Shut down northbound as well for now.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Romeo 60, I'm pulling up on 676.
We need a location for EMS 676
676 southbound, mile marker 2.8. Central, it's obvious DOA. Yeah.
And this is the same one from the traffic stop from Whitman, right?